my love isn't true. But since he's gone, I don't know what to do. I'm all alone with head bowed down, and I feel just like a hound, just because he treats me like a dog. Just because he treats me like a dog. A marriage license I just read, but it was for a dog instead, and that's just why he treats me like a dog. That's just why he treats me like a dog. I scratch myself with both my feet. I even bark out in my sleep, just because he treats me like a dog. Just because he treats me like a dog. I've got those bow wow blues. My daddy treats me like a dog. I've got those bow wow blues. He used to growl at me. Each night he'd howl at me. You doggone this, you doggone that. He'd even make me sleep out with the cat. Oh, bow wow blues. He used to hound me night and day. I surely been of you. I used to be a lamb, I vow, but ow, I'm a bulldog now. I've got those bow wow. I've got the bow wow blues.